Hi guys, so there are two separate trades that I'm going to speak about today. I'm not recommending them because they are very high risk, high reward setups. So that is CYCU and then the other one which is called PN. Now CYCU for the last 3 days, actually is it 3 days, 3 days or 2 days, has just been gone on a crazy run to the extent that it actually took its market cap towards 18 million. It started with, I think the market cap was 3 million, 4 million, and now it's done a 700% run. Was it 700? No, it's 400% run, and now it's taking its market cap up to 18 million. Now, guys, when I say I don't like to trade anything below 100 million market cap, there's a rationale behind that. First, because I know that whoever trades this can go in with millions of dollars and they will hold the majority of the shares that are available. So when they decide to sell, they can bring the price down dramatically and a massive sell-off will happen, and then there goes your money. So instead, I go for some companies that are from 100 million. A sweet spot would be 300 to 400 million, but I do tend to start to kind of branch it out towards 100 million to a billion market cap. Anywhere, any stocks between them that fall between 100 million to a billion market cap, and then it falls into the three major sectors, which is technology, biopharmaceutical, and then semiconductors or minerals or energy, etc. Then I definitely absolutely buy them. However, I need to say something about high trade setups. They don't come very often, but once they do, it can be so mega profitable. The only way I would suggest that you work around this is to use very small market cap, capital size. So if you're entering into something that is below, 20 million market cap, you need to be able to use your common sense and just go in with 200, 300, $500 max, or even $1,000 max, and then but you have to have in the back of your mind this possibility that it will fall really hard. And if it does fall really hard, you can lose a majority of your money. So you have to be very quick in exiting, okay? Anyways, CYCU represents this opportunity. And it's done, like I mentioned, 400% in a few days. Mega, mega, mega. Now, today, it actually opened still green. I think it's up 45% pre-market. The market hasn't even opened yet. And it's already up 45%. And the reason why I even suggest that it might be another one to look into is because if you look into this, guys, it's trying to break above the resistance here. Now, this resistance at 1.63 is mega resistance. It's been rejected multiple times before. But guys, remember, when price comes back to retest the resistance, if it breaks through it, you're going to see so much money that's being poured into this. And if it does exceed it post-market open, this can easily go and run another 300%, or even better, if they piles on a lot of craziness, you can easily see this do another 700% rip. I've seen it happen so many times before, guys, that it does not surprise me if this runs, to $16. It just does not surprise me whatsoever, especially that it's a small market cap. Now, if you are going to buy into this, you have to make sure that you're buying into this pre-market with very low capital. Very, very low capital, anything below $1,000. And obviously tolerant, you have to look into your risk tolerance. But I'm saying what I would do if I was in this position. So less than $1,000, because obviously the market cap is still 18 million. And you wait until it breaks post-market open. And if it does see momentum and volume still pours in, that's your signal that it's going to continue. And if it does continue, like I mentioned, the next level of resistance would be anywhere around $6, which is 270%. And then this even might continue towards the $16, which is 800%. I've seen it happen before, guys. But again, it's contingent on whether this breaks the resistance. Volume, we see follow through, and volume increases. Now, volume here is pretty high. So there's no shadow of a doubt there. It's massive. Very, very high. And pre-market, it's also signaling that it's up 45% pre-market. We just have to wait to see how it reacts post-market. And if it does still hold that volume and not a lot of short sellers pile in, that easily can give you an indication that's going to continue. Okay, so that is CYCU. The other one I've actually bought also is PN. So PN is a smart energy limited company. I got into this quite early, so I got into this around, I think it was around $7. I was in the mall and I saw this and I was like, damn, let me buy. Again, the same thing. I did the same thing, which is buy little capital and then just hope. Not really hope. Hope doesn't really work. But what I'm trying to say is that you risk little capital, because if it doesn't work, you're not really jeopardized. But if it does work, you're going to be making a lot of money. So this is where the rationale comes in. Okay. And so what I did is I bought it around here. It was around $7 to $8. And then now look at this, guys. This has completely jumped 200%. Now, what I like about this a lot is that, guys, the market cap now is 153 million. When I remember when I bought this, it was just little, like it was even below, I think it was 70 million, probably, not even that, probably 50 million. Trying to remember exactly what the market cap was, but it was very, very small. And now it's sitting at 153 million market cap. So that means we're going to see momentum easily increase. It's a smart energy company, guys, and we see energy companies in the rise because of AI. Now, with AI, there's huge consumption of energy, huge. So you're going to see a lot of these energy companies come out of the woodworks, and a lot of them, because they're startups, they're going to get a lot of those fundings, right? And they're going to get interest from investors. So what I'm seeing, this is happening right here. What I like about it the most is honestly in the 6 months time frame. So when I see this on crypto, guys, it's an immediate buy for me. The green here overtook or overexceeded or mothered the red candle prior to it. So it shows me that the volume here is actually coming to increase. And if it does, guys, this is easily going to run towards the next 290% towards the $80 mark. Now, the key thing for me is it going to see follow through? It is a hot market sector, so it is a smart energy company. Is it going to continue to see follow through? Honestly, with the market cap, guys, I don't see why not. I genuinely think this could easily go into a triple digits stock. Like, it's not a surprise to me if this becomes a $200 stock. So again, guys, this is absolutely fundamental. And also what I love about it is, look at this, guys. A doji right here, followed by a green, breaking through the resistance right here. And it's going to continue to run. Guys, this is a no-brainer whatsoever. Could it see a backdrop or people taking profits? Obviously, yes, because it's been going for a while, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if it does happen. But I'm relying on two things, and two things mainly. It's that the market cap is 153 right now, million. And also because it's an energy stock. And on top of that, we've got a clean chart. Usually, very nano stocks or penny stocks usually are so unreliable that you tend to get ugly charts. They're spiking up and down, up and down. There's no structure to it. Whereas this one has structure. You can read through it. So it tells me immediately that this is being bought by smart money, because smart money prints clean charts, whereas dumb money prints very choppy charts. Or if it's being manipulated, it's very spiky and very choppy. But this is very clear. So again, guys, I'm relying on two things: the market cap, as well as the energy company, as well as the chart is really, really clean. I am staying into this, and I'm hoping that it's continuing to run towards $200, $300 markup. But again, guys, remember, because it is like, obviously, guys, I bought in when it was early on. But if you are buying in now, you have to take into consideration the capital size that you're entering into. Just keep that in the back of your mind. You have to always manage your capital size on every single trade. Not every single trade requires the same amount of capital. You have to understand this. Depending on the technicals, then you can adjust then the capital size for each. I hope that's clear. And those are my two high risk, high reward setup. And be very careful and going all into these, because it is high risk, high reward setup. I hope that was clear. And ciao, ciao.